line chat. So here it is a line chat. Double click on it. So we can see it the Power BI desktop. Line chat. A line chart is a graphical representation of an asset's historical price action. This is a most basic type of chart used in a finance and typically only depicts a security's closing price over time. A line chart is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers connected by straight line. It is a basic type of chart common in a many fields. So already I have a data. So we should represent in a graph. So click on it. Name, day 1, day 2. So we can see a representation of line chart in a graphical representation.